Woodpeckers Joiner's Saddle Square packs a boatload of features into a convenient, compact layout tool you'll reach for whenever you're in the shop. They're in production now, so let's head out to the shop and see how they're made. The Joiner's Saddle Square is precision milled on a CNC mill from billets of aircraft-grade aluminum. In a series of milling and drilling operations, we mill both legs and drill scribing guides at each 32nd of an inch. The parts are routinely inspected on our state-of-the-art optical inspection system to ensure they meet our strict tolerance. After anodizing is complete, the parts are sent to the laser engraving department, where they receive their inch or metric scales and brand graphics. The parts then head to our assembly department, where they're assembled, packaged, and shipped directly to your shop. Like all Woodpeckers products, the Joiner's Saddle Square is precisely machined and meticulously inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. For precise joinery, you need a precise joinery layout tool. You need Woodpeckers Joiner's Saddle Square. Order yours today.